Hey guys, welcome back to my channel The House of Secure Network. Today I'll show you how to create a VPC, but before that do make sure you watch my previous video where I have discussed the security best practices for a secure VPC in AWS. Just click on the link in the upper right corner of this video to watch it. So let's get started right after this short intro. There are basically two different ways to create a VPC. The first one is an option to create with two private subnets and a NAT gateway. The second one is an option to create with two public subnets that you can associate with an elastic IP address. Now let's look at the architecture if we have to create a VPC with two private subnets. In this diagram, you can see I have designed two private subnets and a NAT gateway. However, don't worry about the router and the internet gateway because we are just focusing on creating the VPC for now. Alright, so how exactly do we create this setup? We will allocate an elastic IP address first, then create a VPC, add a second private subnet to it, and then verify and name the route tables. Okay, so to allocate an elastic IP address, let's jump on the AWS console. As soon as you're on this console, on the left side of it, click on Elastic IPs. Click on the big blue icon that says Allocate New Address. Okay, so assuming you already have an instance in place, select the instance where you would like to create a VPC or the exact network interface. Enter the IP address and click on the associate button down here. Alright then, let's move on and create the VPC now. Once you are on the VPC dashboard, click on the Launch VPC Wizard button. Click on Select and then click on the Create VPC button again. As soon as you click that, you'll notice a pop-up asking you to name it, add a CIDR block to it, and just click on Yes, Create. The next step is to enter the public IP, select its availability zone, and then enter the private IP and its availability zone, and at last enter the NAT gateway and click on the Create VPC button down here. Now let's go ahead and click on the VPC with public and private subnets option on the VPC dashboard. Click on Select and then repeat the same process to add the second private IP address. In the end, to complete the whole setup, select Route Tables option on the VPC dashboard. Click on the Select Route Table and just create it for the VPC. Similarly, to create a VPC with two public subnets, repeat the same process and instead just add two public subnets and you should be good. In my next video, I'll show you how to create security groups and network angles. Until then, keep watching House of Secure Network. Goodbye.